when we want to understand this kind of structure. So, my dear masters, so there is a huge science explaining the entire inner system of the human body which is moving on. When once we want to analyze this, we will now take the assistance of the PPTs available to us. So the human has components of three bodies, okay, divided into three bodies. One is physical body, another one is astral body, another one is spirit body. Okay, spiritual body, that is atmic body. Okay, so physical body is seen, but astral body and spirit bodies are not seen. Here in this picture, you are able to see the three bodies together. Okay, so first is spirit body. That is, out of the three bodies, what we have, very importantly, we should know about the first and foremost, the spirit body. Okay, that is also called. Tell me. Anybody wants to interrupt? Any question or what?
No, sir, please continue.
Continue. Okay, so you are able to three figures here. See, number one is spirit body. Spirit is not seen, but it is available in the body. That is called Atma in Sanskrit. And that is not the name, it is called as Atma. Okay. And this Atma is in every body. There is no name for specifically for depending on the bodies in which it is available. It is commonly known as spirit, Atma, just like energy. Energy is a word that defines, that inspires, that instigates, that ignites the movement. That is called energy. Okay. Similarly, energy is named as Atma in Sanskrit. Okay. So this Atma is igniting the energies for the body to move on. This is called Atmic body. This has got only one part. There are no different parts for this. Only one part, that is Atma. That is called soul in English. So soul is there in every moving body and non-moving body also. So the difference we will discuss at the end of the class. We will discuss this soul being in both the bodies behave differently. How? That we will check out.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you. Are you sharing the PPT file, sir? We are not able to see.
You are not able to see the PPT? Oh.
No, sir.
Sorry. I will go back. I will play again. Okay. I am thinking that you are also viewing that.